Good day, friends. Florida Explorer 777 here with y'all again today for another exciting adventure. Praise Jesus. I hope that all y'all are having a blessed day today, friends. Also, welcome to all of our new friends. Thank y'all so much for subscribing to our channel. So today we're out here just before the Radar Hill Gate at the end of Trail 11 where Radar Hill is. And it's been a while since I've been able to be out here and access this area because it's all been underwater because of the recent flooding issues that we had out here. And I wanted to share this giant's head with y'all. So again, friends, praise Jesus. I hope that all y'all are having a blessed day. Let's go ahead and check this out. So here we have one ginormous head, and right there you can make out his eyeball still right there. That would have been his right eyeball. Try to hold the camera to the side, like at the same angle so it's straight. And you can see the bridge of the nose right here. Oh, might as well see what's in here. How you doing? Oops. Sorry about that, friends. This tree was kind of in the way. And that would kind of look like almost the ear right there. And then that would be the eye socket right here. Let me go ahead on up here and show you. Oh, instead of zooming in. This appears to be the other eye. And this possibly would have been the ear. Gotta back up and get a whole side view. That's a good view right there. So ear, eyeball, nose piece, and one big dome. Go back down and we'll do the 180 again, friend. Almost about that time to be fighting with the sun, friends. You know how that is. I always get lucky like that. That's a real good shot right there. That's going to be the cover right there, friends. Alrighty, friends, so to wrap things up, we're basically right here at the end of Trail 11 at the Radar Hill Gate. We're at the southern border of the Citrus Wildlife Management Area, this part of the Withlacoochee State Forest. Thank y'all so much for joining us, exploring this giant's dome. Have a blessed day today, friends. Praise Jesus.